Hi guys, today I'm here with a very interesting spy camera. It's not just a normal spy camera, it's a very sophisticated camera. It has 5 powerful USB outlets and it supports Wi-Fi, comes with a free app, has full HD with 1080p, so we have really a lot. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what's in here. I'm going to connect it to the app and then show you a lot of footage. So here's the box, and what we get comes also with a small instructions manual which explains how to connect and how to use it, explains a little bit about the different outlets, but I'm going to show you most of it anyway. So here we have the spy camera USB charger with all the components. Here of course the main device. On the back there is an opening, and we get also this opener so we can grab it here and open this back lid here. So if you want to add micro SD card here, you can add this here. Micro SD card is not included, but it's needed for 24/7 recording. The maximum size is 128 gigabytes, lasts for about 2 weeks. If you're using 32 gigabytes, will last about half a week. It's important to format the micro SD card already in a computer with FAT32. It's very important to fully insert the micro SD card, so you have to grab this thing here and then push it deep inside, and it will be held with a spring. If you want to remove that, you can push it again and take it out. Then underneath we have the reset and the mode buttons. After that we can close it again. By the way, we get also this micro SD card reader, so we can take out the micro SD card with the videos, put it inside, put it into our computer, and then play the videos there and put the micro SD card then back into the camera. And it comes also with a nice stand. You can see, you can just push it inside. It's a really nice solid stand. And here in the front we have the camera itself. Doesn't come with an infrared support, but it has some decent night vision itself. In the instructions we have also the QR code which you can scan to download the free app. So we can safely download the app from the store, like Google Store or Apple Store itself. Good thing that we don't have to open an account, we can use it right away. So we connect the power cable here in the back. And so we click on add a new camera, click on the plus here. Then we have two possibilities. We can directly connect it to the Wi-Fi here on the camera, or we can use the Wi-Fi of your normal Wi-Fi router. So I do the router connection here. So what's really important here is to use only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, but this is just to connect the camera. After everything is connected, you can use any kind of data on your phone. You can also use GSM, you can access the camera worldwide, absolutely no problem. This is just to connect first time. So first we really have to connect our phone here to the same 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi which we want to use later to connect the camera. And after it's connected, we go back to the app and then connect the camera itself. And so we select 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and provide the router password and click on OK. And so we have to check if we see a blue flashing light, otherwise we have to restart it or even use the reset button here in the back. So I confirm this here. So what we have to do is now to connect to the Wi-Fi of the camera. So we go back to the Wi-Fi setting on our phone. There should be now a Wi-Fi available here with the name cam and something. We click on that. The password here on this camera is camdog66. Let's click on connect. And it says connected, no internet. This is okay. If the phone will ask if you want to stay there, say yes. So we click on yes here. And so let's go back to the app. And it looks like it has been detecting something. So it looks like it's connected. Let's click on play. And so we have live picture. I can show you even this instructions manual here in the camera. It can also increase of course to 1080p. Go to the settings. The most important thing here is of course the recording status, and here we have two different options. The loop recording means it will record 24/7 on your micro SD card, and as soon as the card is full it will overwrite the latest footage. So if you have 128 gigabytes card, then it will after 2 weeks start to overwrite the oldest footage. So let's say if you were on a vacation for 2 weeks and you come back, it will have the whole footage from the 2 weeks here inside. You don't have to do anything special. That's really convenient. But you can also select just motion detection recording, especially maybe if you have a smaller micro SD card here inside. So of course, when you're away, you usually want to observe the camera, what's going at home, and then you want to activate the motion detection recording. So it will also then notify you when something is going on. So you get a push notification on your app, on your phone. This is usually what you want. And of course, before I forget, you can definitely use this charger here, USB charger. When I start this here, you can see it's working. It's delivering some power. And I can increase here even the amps. Let's see, 1 amp, 1.5, 2 amps. And we are still on 5 volts straight. That's very powerful actually. So we do not only have a good camera, we also have a powerful charge here. I mean, we can even increase that. Let's see how much power we can pull. Yeah, that's insane. We are now above 3 amps. And we can see the voltage is still very high, and it looks like it's also safe. When we increase the power demand too much, then it's just dropping down, and when we reduce the amps, then it's starting again. So it looks it's not only powerful, it's also very safe. Yeah, we definitely cannot complain about the charge power here. And we still get the notification, as you can see, even during the charge, it's still giving us the alert notification. So I had this camera now installed for around 24 hours, and how has it been? I mean, it has been working somehow reliable. Whenever I click on the camera, it shows me the live image. I mean, I can hold my hand here in front of it and it will start to record. It gives me also this notification when I have the app running in the background. So usually the alerts are working reliable, but there is no setting like sensitivity or those things. But we can go to the news, and then we have to wait for a little bit till everything is ready. It looks like it has to prepare the files in the background, so you always have to give it some time. But what's very disappointing, that it's not always creating videos. Sometimes, or actually in a lot of times, it's only creating a picture. So you can see I have pointed it towards the wall, and then it didn't create like a video. Sometimes it's creating a video, sometimes it's not creating a video. I don't know what it's doing here. You can see there's no video. Sometimes you have to wait, and then after that it will create a video. Sometimes you can wait and it won't create a video. I would say it's pretty unreliable regarding the footage, unfortunately. When we click on that, probably it will show the video. So you can see me sitting on the chair here, and the quality is really good, at least as long as it's very bright. It doesn't have any kind of assisted light, not even infrared. I mean, that's actually good as a spy camera, because we want to have it recognizable by everybody. But of course you have to be careful that you are just doing some things which are fully legal. Never record other people when they don't know about that. This could be very dangerous. So let's go back maybe here to the footage. I have pre-recorded a couple of things. I mean, in general we have 3 different type of footage. We have the news, which means these are the alerts where we have been, and either you get something or you don't get something, or you just get a picture or you get a video. Then we have the local file, which means these are the recording which you have been doing actively on your end, like making photos or start recording directly from here. That is where you find this thing on local files. And there is also this SD card file section. When you are recording 24/7, then it's creating all these video files here, and you can click on that and then play something if there is something on it. Of course, I've been just recording a wall here during the night, but it looks like it's recording more or less reliable. just not regarding the active alerts, because it's really just sometimes only giving an image instead of a video. I don't know why. I've never found out why. Yeah, one thing I wanted to show you in the local file, something which I've been recording. I put the camera out in the bathroom. Yeah, we have to click on check. By the way, have you seen that? There are many options here which you have to either download the video directly to the storage of the phone so you can share it then from there, like with Google Photos or so, or share it directly from here, or check means you can view it. And you can see that what I've been recording yesterday in the bathroom, I put it inside, closed the door, and it was totally dark. Then I came inside. You can see totally dark again. There's nothing to see, so there's really no assisted light. And when I opened the door and left, you can see the image was back. So there's really no assisted light, and in total darkness there is absolutely nothing to see. So what's the conclusion now? I mean, even though it's not perfect, it's by far the best spy camera which I've ever seen. I had so many problems with other spy cameras. They were super difficult to connect to the app, almost impossible or completely impossible, and here it was pretty easy to connect. It has a stable, or I would say reliable, video recording, just not in the activity here. Sometimes it's delivering picture. Maybe if you are a little bit patient, maybe all the videos will show up. I don't know. And it looks like it doesn't require any subscription. The quality, at least during the day, is good. Of course, during the night you would need some assisted light, but apart from that, I would say it's not a bad thing. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.